Hello and welcome to the gluten-free recipes. Today we are going to cook a delicious lamb steak. Put around 1.5 kg of lamb meat in a baking tray. Then add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 carrots, 1 fennel, 20 grams of baby spinach, and 300 grams of asparagus. Add 1 more tablespoon of salt, 5 grams of rosemary, and 100 grams of cherry tomatoes. Cover the tray with tin foil and then bake for 1 hour and 15 minutes at 180 Celsius degrees. Remove the tin foil after 30 minutes and then turn the meat on the other side, repeating this process until the meat is cooked. Enjoy and don't forget to like this video.